Yeah, well, football is unfair. We should have destroyed these guys in the first half. But it's one of those things we can accept the result this time. Even with the decision to miss the chance in the last seconds of the game, but when it was meant to be like this at the end of the game. But well, with my 69 tricks to beat the arenas, I could only use 3. So 66 I need to have. Psychologically, the arenas are not strong without Cosmas Zulu, as far as I'm concerned. But then on the final third, we lacked a bit of brains. Football is not about the running and kicking, but we lacked a bit of brain in the final third. But well, I'm happy. It's now water under the bridge. We need to go now and rectify the mistake. And then we see what happens against Shabana. In the next coming 7 days, we'll be back again on the same field. So now we're focusing on Shabana, and then later we'll focus on our next fixture. But I don't mind getting 7 points out of the last 2. The point plus 2, then definitely the next 2 games we need to win. We need to grant points, whether we like it or not, with no 2 ways.